These are some really cool tools that you can make yourself to use for all kinds of different things around your house and on any kind of projects you're working on. So this first one, using just a little bit of cable, kind of frame the end of it, you can actually create a nice little brush. Very handy. This next one takes a little bit more effort, but it's also a really handy tool for yard work. So first we're going to kind of use this hollowed pipe, fit around through it, and as you can see we already kind of drilled in this hole that can be used for a locking mechanism. And now we're going to be using the washer and these springs to help create that lock. Welding on these pieces so the springs can't escape. And using this bolt, we're able to push this rod out and lock it into place. And after giving it a little bit of a point, we can use it to clean up garbage, leaves, all kinds of things around the yard. Now this tool is really interesting and a really great concept. So first we're going to take these two pieces of metal, cut them on the edges here, and though they may look like a good useful pair of scissors, what they're actually used for is a measuring tool. Allows you to measure a certain distance and just continuously measure that and mark it along the way. This is just a nice, easy tool to make if you need to drill into some leather or other softer materials. It just creates a nice rounded hole that can cut through that material very easily. This next tool probably takes the most amount of effort, but it's a really great yard tool to use once again. So first we're going to take kind of this older metal, we're going to shape it and weld it to its other half. And we've already got the makings now of a pretty useful, kind of forceful tool. Now we're going to make the handle of it. And we're going to weld those pieces together as well. Adding a nice fresh coat of paint. Never hurt anything look a little nicer. And after that, you have yourself a nice handy hoe, a nice handy device to use in any kind of gardening. Excellent work.